Jeliarong Students Union Senapati John on Wednesday organized river cleaning under the banner Save Water to show the general populace how important water is to mankind. Addressing the media, President of Jeliarong Students Union Senapati John Gabriel Chawang stated that cleanliness drive along the Senapati River was organized by the ZSU-SZ on the occasion of Valentine's Day in order to create awareness. The students' leader also mentioned the importance of how one person can give awareness to save water. The drive was stated to organize in collaboration with the 109 Battalion CRPF along with different students from different schools. The event was stated to be sponsored by Dr. Alisons Abonmai and intending candidates of 18th Lok Sabha. Speaking at the site, Dr. Alisons Abonmai stated that drive was taken up with the theme Clean Water, Clean River, Save Water. The social leader stated that the importance of involvement by all to maintain a clean river and save water in district headquarters and to make the place where water is available at all times. Around 300 students and volunteers participated at the cleanliness drive.
हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जवान लोग, अच्छा हुआ आप लोग आया. This is very important. We have to give awareness to all the people. If we take initiative with these little things, there is a saying, little drops of water make a mighty ocean. So once we start with example, we should be the example to many others. So we need to start. We need to do something good, so that people will follow our example. Alright, so we will clean this river, and then in the future all the people who are looking at us will follow us, and then we'll make this river clean river and save water. Alright, हम लोग ये नाली सफाई करेंगे, ये हम लोग एग्जाम्पल दुनिया को दिखाना है, क्योंकि पानी हम लोग जिंदगी के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. इसलिए हम लोग अभी शुरू करेंगे.
Inyutad bo pabhina, inyumaning bonghina, wizi bambo arawang yo, magulong said my swahaye, inyubo aluhina, inyup sings you bambo hina. Things you bambo arawang yo, Ago lung sen mai swang hai Ting ka di thin bora piu ting wa Iniu na tu thon ju ba mi Palam ranang niu a tu ran khai ju Ma zi bo in pui ngao len khai Iniu na tu lung sa ye Palam ranang niu a tu lung sa khai Kasan mo mai i tu mi ne Con kiu era piu zi su Inyu tibo asu hina Izu bambo arawang yo Agolung set mai swang hai Inyu lungbo pabang hina Inyu piu bo apon hina Izu bambo arawang yo Nagolung sen mai swang hai Ting ka di thin bora piu ting wa Iniu na tu thon ju ba mi ne Palam ranang ni wa tu ran khai ju Ma zi bo in pui ngao len khai Iniu nang tu lung sa ye Palam ranang ni wa tu lung sa khai Kasan mo mai i tu mi ne Con kiu era piu zi su
怎么回事？比赛在哪了？我们老师。